Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word queasy. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is queasy. Let's break it down. First we have que, which sounds like Q in queen or quick. Then comes z, which rhymes with C and B. Now let's put it all together. Queasy. Try repeating after me. Queasy. Now a little faster. Queasy. And at full speed. Queasy. Keep practicing and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Queasy refers to feeling sick, particularly to the stomach, or having a sense of discomfort or nausea. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce queasy and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.